Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial of how to use this website. First, we have to choose a mockup. Then, we can navigate in our interface. The next step is just prepare our design. This time, it's just a PNG. Well, we export the PNG and we add the image. We can easily drag and drop the image in our template. Once it's over, we can move this design. Well, in this template or UV maps, you can see you can add more images and position this wherever we want. You can put over or behind. As you can see, there are too many lights, plain lights in one, and we can prepare the light, adjust the width, height, and intensity. Once it's ready, we can modify the shadow also and background, and of course the ambient, as you can see. That's it. Once it's ready, you can still doing some modifications and prepare to export. You can export this to a EMG, like a PNG image, and as you can see, it's a square resolution, and also you can share it as a video. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.